Hey guys, yesterday I made a video about this cipher code that we found on the side of the ritual table inside of Pack-a-Punch. And I'm really sorry about my voice. I am really sick right now and I can like barely talk, so I'm doing the best I can to make this video. So recently they did an update for Black Ops 3 and they actually added this cipher in on the side of this table. And it's really hard to see, even with a sniper. And here's what it looks like if you typed it all out. And it was solved by using what's called a straddling checkerboard cipher, and that's what's on the left right here. I'm gonna plug in all the letters and numbers and show you what this decrypts into. So it decrypts into, I'm willing to do what must be done. The plan must not fail. And here it is all laid out. You can see the actual cipher key at the bottom. Big shout out to Roland Math 42. This was a really difficult image to see. He really helped out a lot with being able to view this. I wanted to put all the answers to the ciphers on one page so that we could look at it and start trying to come up with our own ideas about what we think they mean. And I don't typically like to speculate too much, but I am interested in this one that was just found. It was found in the Pack-a-Punch area, and also something that was found in the Pack-a-Punch area was a very crucial piece to this notebook. And a huge shout out to Slickkilla for finding this piece. It was almost impossible to find. And it reads, I must convince the others there's no other way. We all must die. The children will be safe in the house. So to me, it sounds a lot like this cipher code that just got solved, how this plan can't fail. And obviously there's a plan going on here on this notebook. But let me know what you guys think about this, and we'll see you next video.